Well, there's the press kit, and by looking at the instructions, that's supposed to go downwards and to install downwards. So down means we have to lift the car higher, and definitely I'm going to put jack stands underneath it for sure. I'm just not going to trust a hydraulic jack, so I got to get it high enough for this kit, you know, because the ball joint is way down there, so I'm gonna have to lift it up, oh, at least another couple feet. There's the boot for the grease, and there's the clip. Here's the setup to press it out, and that's why I wanted to get the car higher up in the ground, because if need be I could have taken away a little bit of that gravel, but on a pavement or asphalt, pretty hard to do that, or in your garage. So the idea here is the bearing pushes out and drops into the cup. And it's a 22 millimeter. Just enough room. Okay, I'm sure it's all loose now. There it is. Just check and make sure that the ball joint is the same round. It's the same though, exactly. Take the rubber boot off to press it in, and at the same time you want to clean everything around there because you're going to have it open. Just keep turning it this way and the clip will release. And just like that. And just put it back on, one piece at a time. Yeah, you don't want stuff falling in there. Gives you instructions here. It shows you which ones to put on for removing and which ones to put on for putting them back on. You got your new ball joint, and what you want to do is you want it over this ring here. Like that. So this piece goes on like that, and you put your ball joint on there. See, I could use one of two cups for the top, this one or this one. See, I put this one on and you can feel it just rocking a bit where it just doesn't fit properly. But then if I switch it to this one, It fits a little better. You know, different vehicles will be different, and you got a whole bunch of spacers to make it work. So I'm gonna go with that one. So that's what I got here. There's the ball joint. There's the control arm. There's the spacer. And there's the top. If I had more room, I'd put a socket up there, down there. Yeah, I might have room for a 22mm socket. Use a pipe on there as well. It's almost there. You can see the gap closing right here. Right in there. This gap. That's in. Sure snapped there, right? Now I'm going to use the open end because I don't want the socket jamming against the ground. Now I put the safety ring on there.